Hello everyone, my name is Keshara and this is my teammate Madhuni. Welcome to the demo of the Oven Crust Bakery Management System. Today we will walk you through our website highlighting how the front end connects to the back end.
Thank you for joining us. In this demonstration, we will show you how our backend connects with the front end of the application. Our goal is to provide an efficient management system for bakery operations, including managing customer orders, form submissions, and more.
Introduction to the home page. This is our home page where we display our bakery's latest products. Here's the code snippet that generates the main layout. PHP code dynamically set the image source using the base URL constant, ensuring the image loads correctly regardless of the environment.
Dynamic content loading. In the product session, we display items like cakes and pastries using a loop. Here is how it looks in the code. This loop retrieves product data from the database and displays each items in a card format. Backend processing. In our backend script, we validate and process the form data like this. This PHP code sanitizes the input to prevent security issues, ensuring that only safe data is processed.
Front-end validation. We also implement front-end validation for a better user experience. Here's an example of our validation script. The script checks if the name field is empty and provides instant feedback to the user.
Let's start with the admin dashboard UI. Session handling. We start a session to maintain the admin's login state. If the admin isn't logged in, they are redirected to the login page. Next, database connection. Next, we establish a connection to the MySQL database using MySQL. If the connection fails, an error message is displayed.
Fetching from submissions. We fetch the form submission from the database, implementing Fagnation to manage large sets of data. Next, displaying data in HTML table. In the HTML, we loop through the results set and create a table. Each submission gets a delete button linked to a JavaScript function for handling deletion.
Deleting submission. When the delete button is clicked, a post request is sent. We prepare a delete statement to remove the submission from the database, then redirect back to the same page. This is how the backend connects to the front end in our system, allowing for dynamic interactions. Thank you for watching.
My name is Achani Dayananda and I have to present the special order process. The code consists of two main parts in HTML form and the PHP script. In HTML form for special order, the form is contained within a section element and include field for the username, mail, phone number, preferred date, and order details. This is the HTML form. In JavaScript validation, this is the validation JS. Before the form submitted, JavaScript perform client-side validation to ensure that all fields are correctly filled out. If any validation fails, the form submission is prevented and an error message is displayed next to the respective field. This is what I just added. PHP script for processing order. The script connects to a MySQL database using credentials defined in an external config.php files. Name, email, phone number, preferred date, and taken to the database from this PHP section. If the insert operation is successful, the user is redirected back to the previous page with the successful state. If it fails, an error message is displayed.
So in this website, I have created product bar. So now you can see this. In the website, you can see here. So if you want to press add button, and you have to choose the picture also. So you can see like this. So if you want to update, randomly we can choose the quantity. So we can change like this. So we can press the two. If the data automatically. So if you go to delete, you can press the delete. You can delete already. It will remove the errors. So now we have moved to the code part. First of all, we will see the add part. This is my code part. First of all, we will see the add product. So in this code, this is the PHP code handle for update products. So session management is checks if a user is not has the admin. Database connection if establish a connection to the MySQL using MySQL. On form submission request, it returns product details from the form. SQL query construct an SQL update statement for modify the product details in the product table. So now we are moving to the update product. This is the code part for update. So this SQL statement is designed to update an existing product in the product table. So it sets the field like a product ID, product name, category, stock quantity, and price. The process where ensures the only product with the specific product ID is updated. So if it is successfully updated, we can get the error. We can get the successful message. It will be error. We can get the error message also. Now we are moving to the admin part. So this is very special part because this is the JavaScript code. It will commonly give us for a validation code. If we are missing to submit any code, it will give the error message to us. So now we are moving to another part for this code. So now we're going to move to another part. This is the delete model pop-up. So this is also very important, and this is also the edit model pop-up. So we saw the previous website that we can add and delete the products. So with the help of these codes, we can active those parts. So that's all about my part. Thank you.
Hi, I'm GA Ganhevage. Let's go to the register form. This is my register form. Without filling, let's click the register button. You can see this error message. All the JavaScript errors are here. Now fill this form. Give the password as this. Let's click the register button. You can see this message. Now try to log in. First give incorrect password and try to log in. You can see this incorrect message. Now give our password. and try to log in. You can see this welcome message. Let's go to the profile page. First, update address and profile picture also. Let's give the password as this. First, give incorrect password and click update button. You can see this update password do not match message. Now give the correct password and update. In admin customer table, you can see it's successfully update. Now click the logout button. Now try to log in again. First give our all password. You can see incorrect password message. Now give our new password. You can see this welcome message. Let's go to the code part. This is my user register code. Clicking register button, you can pass the data into data table. In this code, check username or email already exist. In this code, you can add new data into table. In this form validation part, and this is the HTML code. Let's go to the profile PHP. I mainly focus in password. You can add new password, and new password and confirm password are checked. If both are matched, it's update in your table. Let's go to the user login. In this code, you can find user using email or username. In this code, match your password in with your username. If it is a match, you can log in. Now let's go to the logout. This is my logout code. Thank you for listening.
Hi, I'm Pabasara Seneviratna. This is a demonstration of our bakery shop website. When a customer after logs in, he can place order, clicks to order an item. This order pop-up appearance. Here they fill in their name, address, product name automatically. This is the PHP code for automatically filling customer name. And this is the PHP code for automatically filled in customer address and product name. As they enter the quantity, the total price is calculated automatically based on the item price. Using this code, total price is calculated automatically based on item price. After completing the form, the customer submits their order by clicking the submit button. This sends the data to the back end using PHP. On the back end, we rewrite customer data from our MySQL database. We use their customer session ID to fetch their details like name and address, and this information is automatically filled into the form. We also track the total number of orders made by each customer in the database. This is how the order system works. It efficiently handles customer order on the front end and processes them in back end, helping us manage the bakery operations. When I logged as an admin, here is the list of orders displayed for the admin with the delete button next to each other. If the admin wants to delete an order, they simply click the delete button. This opens a confirmation module asking if they are sure about deleting the order. Once confirmed, the order is deleted from the database and the page is refreshed and reflects the updated order list. And that's how admins can efficiently manage and delete orders from the system. Now we see simple modification. With the simple modification, we improved the order management by showing 8 orders per page, increase of 5. In the backend, I changed the PHP code to limit equal to 8 to get more orders from the database. Now, on the front end, users can see more orders at once, making it easier to manage them.
Hi, I am Shahila. In this video, I will be demonstrating the supply management feature on our website, which allow admins to manage supply details like their names, contact information and addresses. Here on the supply list page, you can see a table displaying all current suppliers. Each row contains details such as supply name, contact person, contact name, contact mail, phone number and also addresses. Next to each supplier there are options to edit and delete the details. The data in this table is pulled dynamically from the database using PHP, ensuring the list is always up to date. Now we can add one supplier as supply name as I will give Shahila, contact number as 0123, contact name as I will give Fatima, contact mail as phone number I will give 012345 and address I will give Colombo and click add supplier button. Now we can see new supply details, and also we can edit supply details such as phone number I will give this one and update supplier. Now this is my new phone number, and also we can delete these details. Click delete button, confirm it, and now there are no new details. And also this is form validation code to ensure data integrity. The form include validation on both client side and server side. Field like supply name and email must be filled correctly before the form can be submitted. If any required field are missing, the user want to fix the errors before proceeding. This is function for validate add supplier form. And also this is validate edit supply detail supply form, and also this is PHP files: add supplier, admin supplier, get supplier and update supplier.
Hi, I'm Darushi. Welcome to the Oven Crust Bakery Management System demo. We will explore its features and show how the front-end interfaces with the back-end to provide a seamless user experience. Let's start with the login process. When the admin submits the login form, their credentials are sent to the server using a POST request. The PHP code behind it is this. This code verifies the admin's login credentials and sets up a session if the credentials are correct. The form sends this data through the action equals login.php attribute, linking the front-end login form to the back-end PHP processing script. Once logged in, the admin is redirected to the dashboard. Here, data such as total sales is fetched from the database using PHP and MySQL. For example, this selected query fetches the total sales from the orders table. The PHP script processes the query and sends the results back to the front end, where it is displayed in this view on the dashboard. This shows how the backend database data is dynamically linked and displayed on the front end. Now, let's see how a simple change on the backend can affect the front end. Let's change the selected code to show total products sold instead of total orders. We then update the front-end HTML to display this new information. Let's refresh. Now it's changed into total product sold 71. The settings page allows admin to update their password. When the form is submitted, the new password is hashed on the backend using SHA-1. This PHP code responsible for it. This is the SHA-1 hashing. This ensures the password is securely stored in database, linking the form submission to secure backend processing. The Oven Crust bakery management systems efficiently integrates backend logic with the dynamic front end, ensuring smooth bakery management with secure data handling.